everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to create a form in ClickUp. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to create a form in ClickUp, start by opening your web browser and signing in to your ClickUp. Go to app.clickup.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your account if necessary. Now to add a form in ClickUp, open your desired space, folders or list and then go to the top of the screen and click on the view option with a plus button in it. Now, from the list, select Form at the bottom. Click on Add View. Now, creating a form view on a list or space will use that list as the destination. Creating a form on a folder or space will prompt you to select a list. While building your form, type in the description for your form and drag any field in the left panel into your form. Drop it here in the Drop It Here box and then type in your task name. You can go ahead and label it as a required. Add more fields on your form, give it a name, label it as required or not according to your need, and keep on adding more. You can rename any field by clicking on this pencil icon and then erase the name and type it in and rename the field by typing it in. You can also mention the due date, or if you want to mention any kind of an attachment on the form, you can go ahead and drag it in on the form. Now after you're done, toggle between editing and viewing form, which will show you the preview of your form. Now you can easily share your forms with anyone by simply copying the direct link and sharing it with them. In order to do so, click on the share option at the upper right and copy the link and share it with someone. That is how you can easily add forms on ClickUp. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.